Sgroppino. It's boozy, elegant and fresh. I know I've likely triggered a whole entire nation due to my pronunciation, but I don't really care. And if you want to have a go, you can bring your nonna too, for emotional support. This is a really different drink, which I think is great. It's a dessert cocktail, and jokes aside, I suggest you stick with the original recipes which are out there. Onto the recipe. Now the main ingredient which gives its drink its character is lemon sorbet. Add a good scoop and make sure you have a proper ice cream scoop at hand, because it's a nightmare with a dessert spoon. Excuse the state of this shaker. I left my good weighted ones around a family member's house over Christmas, and I've only really got this monstrosity, a 3-piece and 2 Parisian shakers, and they cause me way too much hassle and stress to use. This drink hails from Venice, which has a good cocktail history. It's thought to originate in the 16th century, but widely started appearing in the 19th century, where wealthy Venetians would serve the drink after big dinners. It's like a traditional digestif. Then add 2 ounces, that's 60ml of Prosecco. Now this cocktail is more suited to summer months, but I'm going to be honest with you, I've got a lot of stuff left over from Christmas, so I want to rustle up a drink with all the ingredients I have at hand. Then lastly, add half an ounce, that's 15ml of vodka. Using an immersion blender, blend this drink up and make sure you do so properly. You don't want clumps. Also, if you're making high volume, just be wary, you don't want it to piss all over the kitchen. Pour into a coupe glass and garnish with mint. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy. Have a couple more and behave yourselves, as it's a new year and it's a blank slate.